As demolitions go, this one looked like a bridge too far. The destruction of this 3.5-kilometre long viaduct in the Chinese city of Wuhan set a record for the longest concrete bridge ever demolished in China. And with 100,000 volt wires running alongside, 30 major gas pipelines underneath, and residential buildings all around. It was also one of the most difficult demolitions ever undertaken in China.
As the
environment is very complicated, we have adopted very strict protective measures. For example, we put water bags along the viaduct to reduce the dust produced in the process of demolition. The water mist produced in the blast can absorb the dust.
Despite the difficulty, the viaduct came crashing down in spectacular fashion, although they'll need bigger brooms than that if they want to clean up effectively.